Hey, what's happening, guys? Dan Darrow here with another Options and Play video update. Uh, if you haven't been watching TLTs, then this chart may be something of new development to you, right? We oftentimes take a look at TLTs, maybe like walk through what's going on when we get together for our bi-weekly option session. Um, and what's really interesting and really what I want to just highlight with this video is that if you don't care about the TLT and you don't really care about rates and you're really only exclusively focused on tech, well, I think you need to pay attention because what's going on right now in treasuries, TLT, and rates could really start to impact tech soon. All right. So this is the chart of TLT. I mean, you can see over the last few months, you had like a big dip, right? Big dip, right? You had like a really substantial V reversal, and then it's kept rallying, rallying, rallying. Then it hit the 200-day last week, and now you're starting to get a pullback. You're like, all right, who cares, right? Well, when I overlay the chart of the Qs, now you will see why people care because over the last 4 months, right? So since the start of March, the correlation of the Qs and the TLT has been almost a 99.989. So an extremely, extremely high correlation between TLTs and the Qs, right? So you're wondering, okay, right? Qs look great, keep powering higher, right? But what you're noticing is that after the TLT topped out at the 200-day, it's starting to put in a little bit of reversal, right? It's breaking below the 8 EMA, and it's coming into the 20-day, and definitely starting to indicate maybe a little bit of like an exhaustion after a pretty big bounce, right? And now maybe this correlation cracks, right? I mean, these things can start to head in opposite directions, but with a correlation of nearly 99 since the beginning of March, if you do see the TLTs start to roll over a little bit more sharply, then that really could begin to weigh on Qs and in tech, right? So if you are sitting in a lot of tech and you mostly trade tech, then I think it's probably time that you start to pay attention to what the TLTs are doing because I think it's going to impact what the tech does in the very near term, right? And at the moment, TLT, it's not down enough where you can say it's definitely breaking this month long uptrend. But if it starts to lose the 20-day, which is down closer to like 144 and a half, which is only about 75 cents away, then it could start to be losing that uptrend and it could start to pick up some momentum down into like the low 140. So I think this is worth monitoring. I mean, in terms of like swing trades and like especially like short-term option positionings. I mean, I think this could really start to have some impact. So I think you want to be keeping a close eye on it. All right. Earnings season coming up, so we're gonna have a lot more event style trades. So if you're struggling to find swing trade ideas, just wait. There's gonna be a lot of event trades coming up with like earnings, so should be a lot to look forward to there, right? If you like this video and you're looking for more information on trading earnings with options or swing trading, or you probably hear me talking about these correlation trades all the time, please follow up with the link in the description of the video for more information on options and play. Have a wonderful night. Stay well, and I will talk to you all tomorrow.